No juicing, no juicing.
Hallelujah.
Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. It's your girl here again, Frida, and I welcome you all to today's video. Yes, fam, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I, for one, am doing very well. To God be the glory. Yes, today's video is actually a very simple one, but a lot of people are finding it difficult, all right, to realize. That is the reason why I said, okay, since I've experienced it, why don't I put it out for someone, all right, to be able to like make good use of it? Yes, it is a very vital information, all right. Yes, a lot of us, we are trying to lose weight, right? Isn't it? Yes, we've been eating healthy, we've been exercising, we've been doing all the doables, drinking all the drinkables, but we have forgotten about one particular thing, which is very, very important. Without that, the eating healthy, the exercises, all the drinkables, nothing is actually going to work. Frida, what do you mean? Yes, you've been eating healthy, right? You've been exercising, all right? You've been drinking all the shakes in the world. But you have forgotten that you have to take a very good rest. That is the reason why you have not been able to lose weight as much as you want. And that is the reason why you have been having that sagging skin. Of course, yes, poor night sleep intensifies the risk of obesity. It promotes weight gain. Yes, it changes your hormonal system drastically. So, find time to rest, find time to sleep. Sleep is a necessity in your weight loss journey. Frida, are you sure? Yes. You have not been taking enough rest, especially in the area of sleep. You have not been sleeping well. If you haven't been sleeping well, there is no way the eating healthy and the exercises are going to work for you. So find time from today onward to start getting enough rest and eating well. I know sometimes it's very, very difficult, especially for content creators and every other busy, mom out there or dad out there or whoever it is out there. All right, sometimes, especially when you are very busy, like I would say for content creators, the reason why most content creators are battling with weight loss is because, one, let me tell you, you have seen everything on YouTube. You have seen everything on Google. The reason why you have not been able to apply it is because, oh, let me just quickly film this video for 1 minute. Before you know it, you are ending up in 1 hour. Oh, let me just quickly record this, edit this video for like, oh, let me just quickly edit this video for like 2 minutes. Before you know it, you are staying hours on that video. Sometimes you stay all night without sleeping. Don't forget, in the morning, your kids are going to wake you up. Even if you don't have children yet, a lot of things that you have to do during the day, they are waiting for you. You have to stand up. You have to keep up and do things that you're supposed to do during the day. If you don't sleep during the day and you don't sleep at night, how are you going to lose weight? All right? You're not going to lose weight. Some people will say, oh, if I don't sleep, I get emaciated. No, you're not going to lose weight. Even if you get emaciated, you're going to start having sagging skin. You're not going to look fresh and healthy. So that is a very important key that we have to maintain. Find time to rest. Of course, yes, poor night sleep intensifies the risk of obesity. It promotes weight gain. Yes, it changes your hormonal system drastically. So, find time to rest, find time to sleep. Sleep is a necessity in your weight loss journey. And now with time, we are moving over to preparing the very best breakfast for someone that wants to lose weight and someone that wants to get rid of sagging skin. Here I've got my pineapple. I washed it last night and I kept it in this bag. I'm going to be bringing it out right now to cut. Pardon me, I love to cut my pineapple this way. Oh yeah, can you beat this? Take a look at this goodness, fam. Now here I've got my pineapple. Make sure you clean the back of your pineapple properly. If you give it a very thorough wash, after you must have done the cutting, you can actually store these ones in a bag and put it in the freezer for any other drink in future. Okay, nothing is wasted. All right, so I'm going to be tying it right now, putting it back in the freezer because I'm not doing a pineapple juice. Neither am I doing a pineapple tea. We are doing a simple pineapple breakfast. Okay, after you must have peeled your pineapple, you get lemon. All right, I'm going to be cutting the lemon in half. Just squeeze the lemon right on top of the pineapple. Like so. Do not bother juicing it, okay? Remember, we are fighting against excess weight, and at the same time we are fighting against sagging skin. Sometimes when you take your juice, you just drink it straight ahead, it goes to your stomach. It's not supposed to be so. Even when you're drinking juice, you have to like place it in your mouth to stay for like some seconds before you swallow it. But if you do it this way, you are going to get a faster result. All right, you are going to be chewing it. Just chew it. Do not juice it. I know a lot of people are always in a hurry. That is the reason why they love shake. Yes, let me just shake it and drink it and I'm gone. No, we are getting rid of sagging skin here. Chew it, and the leftover juice that is going to be on your plate, then you drink it, okay? No juicing, no juicing. This breakfast is going to give you a very flawless skin as well. All right, it's going to get rid of wrinkles as well. Make this your very best breakfast. And please, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so well to subscribe, please, and give this video a very huge thumbs up. Share to your friends, share to your family, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you once again for your support. All right, I'm going to kick off right now and start cooking for the day. I just said, okay, let me just quickly drop this before I start cooking. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Haha. No juicing, no juicing.